Do the chores. Tidy one's room. Clean the windows. Make the bed. Take out the rubbish. Do the shopping. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Vacuum the carpet. Do the laundry. Do the ironing. Hang out the clothes. Cook a meal. Set the table. Do the dishes. Wash the dishes. Do the washing up. Clear the table. Look after a baby. Feed the dog. Walk the dog. Mow the lawn. Plant the trees. Water the plants.
Daisy is showing her new phone to Jake.
Hi, Daisy. Is that a new phone?
Yes, it's my chores gift from Mum and Dad.
A chores gift?
Yes, I always help with the chores.
You're joking. Okay, Daisy. See you later.
Huh?
Later,
Hey, Mum. Can I help with the chores?
Of course. I usually clean the windows and mop the floor on Saturdays.
Phew. This is hard work.
Jake is lying on the sofa with the TV control. Liam is wondering what happened to Jake.
Jake, what's up? We always play football on Saturdays.
No way. I'm really tired. Let's just watch TV.